Hi, greetings from this beautiful oceanfront condo. I just wanted to say I am more than happy to show you the property. It is a full 2,050 square feet, of which 240 are this beautiful, beautiful 36-foot terrace. Let's take a look, shall we? You can see the depth of the terrace, the length, and then you can see this magnificent ocean view. There is no need for me to stand out with a selfie stick here. This is unobstructed ocean view. You can even see the sailboats there. So really, this property has an awful lot to offer. Come on down at 561-252-8238. I'll get you in for an appointment. And you can bring your decorator and we'll get this really to look pristine. I will talk to you soon and I'll see you here. Thanks.